Hello, 4311. This is Miss Green. Today for reading workshop, we are going to discuss when is a good time. We are going to learn actually when is a good time to stop and jot. So hang on one second. Let's move to the next slide. How do I know when is a good time to stop and jot? How do I know which parts in my book are important or are important enough for me to take a pause, stop, and jot? Do I stop and jot at the end of each page? You may be asking yourself these questions. Well, today we are going to learn when is a good time to stop and jot as you are reading. Good readers stop and jot about what they picture in their minds, what they're wondering, what they think, what they feel, what they find interesting, what they connect to. Those are good times for you to stop and jot. Also, you can stop, think, and jot when you meet a new character, when you learn more about a character, when you are thinking about characters' feelings. Also, when you wonder about something, when you wonder about details regarding feelings, when you're making a prediction, you can stop, think, and jot. When you make connections to the details, such as text to text, or text to self, or text to the world. You may be thinking, well, this reminds me of a time in history, or this reminds me of what's going on right now. These are some of the times that you want to stop and jot. You can also stop and jot when you visualize the details. You can describe what you picture. You can make small sketches. Those are other times when you want to stop and jot as you are reading. So we're going to look at a passage together. And we're going to see where this author decided to stop and jot information in little post-its. You can use little post-its. You can just make a little square box when you're reading and you think it's a good time to stop and jot. So let's look at this passage together before you go off and start reading. Samantha had one dream in life: to be an Olympic gymnast. Ever since Sam was a little girl, she dreamt of being a famous gymnast and traveling the world. She started taking lessons when she was 5 years old. I'm going to stop here, because that's some good information that I want to jot down. So you name a trait for Sam and provide text evidence. So what is it? Ever since she was a little girl, she wanted to be a gymnast. Let's keep going. Samantha competed in many competitions, and at every level she performed at the top, of her group. She often came home with a gold medal. Gymnastics was what Sam wanted to do all day, every day. It started to interfere with schoolwork. Sam's grades in school were starting to slip. She wasn't doing her homework and she was falling asleep in class. Do you think that this is a good point to stop and jot? I know it doesn't say so here, but why do you think this might be a good time to stop and jot? Think about it for a second. What is happening to Sam in this second paragraph that you think it's worthy of your stopping reading to think about and jot? Let's keep going. One night, Sam's mother and father called Sam down before dinner. "Sam," her mother yelled up the stairs, Your father and I want to talk to you about something. And here again, you see the author stopped, and she or he's going to jot. What do you think Sam's parents will say? So here's another good place for you to stop and jot. So as you are reading, you want to remember some of these places where you want to stop, think, and jot. So 4311 readers, off you go now. Find a comfy place, a nook and cranny, a chair, a couch surrounded with your favorite pillows and stuffed animals. Start reading. And remember to stop, think, and jot as you read. Thank you. Have a nice day.